Yo, what's up, guys? Hold on. Let me bring the mic closer. Uh, Another market review. To be honest, I should have cast the expansion move today, but we'll get to that. Hope you don't mind the background sounds. It's really hot in here, so I just have my own window opened. It shouldn't be too bad though, right? All right. So let me just. Is it this? Yeah. Let me just turn away the indicators for a while. Right. Okay. So first off, I just wanted to go over the structure of today because we had a really let me do it like this. Okay. So this was the structure that we were presented before going into market open, right? It was a pretty much just accumulation on this pretty much on every time frame, right? Like on hour, like on 15-minute, like pretty much everything. So how could you even possibly get anything from this market, right? So you would want to see if we have any SMTs, and we do have one here at this low, right? So kind of nice to see that this low is supported by SMT to move high. So right. Also, we are coming from from narrative that this whole weekly PO3 development is supposed to be bullish, right? Because we are overall in a bullish trend on a higher time frame. So what I just wanted to say, now we look to support the bullish move. And why is that? Because of the higher time frame narrative. We could have waited for us to take each side and then long, but it would not be the best case, I would say. Okay, so then what do we have? We have this. No, was it an SMT right there? Okay, yeah, it was. It was an SMT here. So you mark out this as well. So now we have this SMT right there at the very low of the move in this week. So it's not really reasonable for us to go lower right now when we have like SMTs supporting the move higher. Then you go into this day, which is very rangy, and sorry for that. And we have SMT right there with yes, but it doesn't really matter with which pair. And we have the SMT at this high, but it's really like couple ticks away from invalidating it, so it doesn't really matter all that much. What matters though is this clean liquidity above us. So we drop down right now to see what we are presented with, right? And right there we are not presented with anything special. We would want to see this get formed. Okay, this 15-minute gap. And this 15-minute gap gets indeed formed before market opens. And this gap is a form of SMT. I won't get into it too deep. Oh, fuck it, I will just leave it as that. So yeah, we get this gap right now, and we are unable to drop into 1 minute because of time frame alignment from 15 to 1 minute. And yeah, the CASD would be all the way here. However, with my model, my understanding of markets, we are able to drop down to 15 seconds, and I will just show you this right there. I did not take this trade because I wasn't too sure right now, but it's just a lesson for future me. We have SMT at these lows as well. Okay, you can see that this is the candle that gets swept by in Q, and we are also in this 15-minute gap. So now we can scale down to 15 seconds, and then we got an entry here, which we did not have on 1 minute. So the DOL was really good. 5.5 risk to reward, and that's all there is to this trade. It's not even the matter of like this structure on a 15-minute or anything like that, or it's not even the matter of these SMTs. It's just the fact that I would really not want us to see, because like, look guys, we are looking like this. So we got the FOG tab on daily right there. So would we anticipate that we will come back down again and just fuck around here, or would we just anticipate for this PO3 to just go up back to all-time highs, which we already had our manipulation leg down there? So for me, I would just assume that we are not gonna go down, because you know all the like movement that was supposed to form to just make a bullish development happened before, and it would be really fucking horrible to see us going back down, like not making any sense for me. I don't know how in the world I would see short there. And yeah, it was like mostly based out of the daily structure. So yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching.